Hello and welcome to World of Warships. This time I'm playing in the Murmansk, which is the Russian Tier 5 premium cruiser. It's a pretty nice ship. It's pretty much the Omaha, at least the version of the Omaha. And since the Omaha is pretty much my favorite ship at the moment, well, Murmansk is even better. It's kind of like, yeah, it's a bit too powerful maybe. So if at least if it's top tier, if it's not top tier, it's not that good. Anyway, I'm kind of alone around here. That's unfortunate. But I will still go here because I like this spot. Loaded HE, but actually don't meet the destroyer, so instantly switch to AP because this Futaka should be easy to kill it. And well, that was badly aimed, I guess. Ooh, and he's turning, so that's my first citadel. Second and third citadel. Nice. Oh, fires torpedoes. More citadels. Even more. And almost. Well, come on, die already. Ah, there it is. And there it goes. That was a full hit point to Futaka, and I only paid 3000 HP for that kill, so that's decent, I guess. But it was a Futaka, so yeah. Sorry for the screen tearing and such, that's a replay bug. Can't do much about that. The same thing goes for the weird aiming that takes place where you can see sort of the ship still. Not sure what's going on there. It's all replay system isn't worked out yet. Well, and I switched to HE because there's St. Louis around the corner, and well, if he even angles a little bit, I can do pretty much no damage to that guy because he's really well armored. So HE will probably be more consistent in dealing with him. But where is he? Oh, there he is. He actually turned away. Well, let's see. Bit too much to the rear. Bit more lead should. Yeah, that's better. Although, didn't do much damage. Well, that did a bit. I'm not really doing much to this guy. So these are really strong ships. I mean, it's only a tier 3 and I'm a tier 5. This is a pretty good ship, but oh dear, another St. Louis. And this one even an upgraded one, I think. Or is the other one upgraded? Well, one of those two is upgraded at least. Actually at the back one. He's showing me a broadside, so I try some AP. Let's see what that does. Well, not that much. Mostly spalling damage probably. And they not got my steering. Too bad. That was a penetration. Nice.
Problem solved, sir.
Let's just fire AP. Now that was a nice shot. Yes. Only they are starting to hit me pretty badly. So I'm trying to increase the distance because, well, I'm confident I will be able to easily hit them at this range. They will find it more difficult to do that to me, especially when I keep moving about and such. So increasing the distance puts me at an advantage. At least I think so. Fortunately, what I hadn't noticed at this point yet, I ran out of map. And I think at this point I'm starting to notice. And yes, I'm now turning. A bit at least. Yeah, there we go. I don't really want to turn because, well, it gives me a broadside. And I actually started shooting HE again, which is this time, well, doing more damage, I guess. And I did set them on fire a little bit ago, so that's nice. This guy is going down, regardless, eventually. It's just taking a long time. So St. Louis are really hard not to crack. And maybe what I should have done is fire torpedoes at these guys, but they are maneuvering and it's a bit far. Although they are in range, the torpedoes on this ship have actually 8 kilometer range, which is pretty good. Finally take out this St. Louis, so I can take on the original St. Louis. Because this guy G.Skill was, at least I think so, was the second St. Louis I saw. Anyway, this guy runs into the Karachi. And if that Karachi plays well, he can wreck this guy easily. Well, sort of. The dispersion on his guns is so bad that... Anyway, switched back to AP, and I guess that the Karachi will be able to kill the St. Louis, so I'm just gonna fire at this Omaha. Secondly, this Omaha is much more of a threat to me than the St. Louis is, because St. Louis wasn't shooting at me anymore. Taking out this Omaha is actually more important. But don't seem to be able to aim that well at this Omaha, so he escapes. But the St. Louis did die, so that's good. And that seemed to be some torpedo bombers coming for me. Interesting. By the way, this Murmansk actually has pretty decent AA. I say pretty decent, but it doesn't manage to shoot down anything. And oh dear, this is one of those buggy torpedo drops. But once you learn to deal with them, they become... If I had been in a battleship, that might have been a problem. So I hope they fix that bug, because it's a bit annoying. But well, didn't matter that much in this game. Now let's see. Let's hope we can find the citadel. Well, that was badly aimed. Although he did turn. Oh, nope. Well, those look better. And actually citadel. Nice. Didn't expect that. And yeah. He died. Nice. Now let's get this Hosho. And I should be faster than him. Though not by much. The Hosho is actually a pretty quick ship. Unfortunately, the rest of the enemy team seems to have been all in one side of the map. Interesting. Well, then again, I have 3 kills, so there were at least 3 ships on this side, and there was this St. Louis as well. That was killed by the Karachi. So I guess there were more ships on this side. And I switched to HE only now. Don't know. I think I was trying to get Citadel hits on this guy. Or hoping. But yeah, at this range, chances to even hit this slow. So HE to knock out maybe his engine or something might be better. But at least I'm able to fire at him. Do not hit him. Oh, that's better. Fire. He is actually making a fight out of this show. Keeps evading. Nice weaving. Don't see a lot of them do that. But he's died. He's doomed. Like Mizukaze and me shooting at him. Oh, and look, another fire. Which he can't put down. Because he... And another fire. Ooh. He used his repair already to put down the other fire. So that's nice. I think I'm shooting a bit high here. Almost sailing into an island. Well, he's dead. There we go.
Enemy aircraft carrier destroyed.
That's Osho. Now, what's left? No, they still have one carrier. And he must be around here somewhere. So he's probably in the corner. But I see these two Wyomings, which have still got a lot of HP. And there is a destroyer somewhere. Though I have no idea why. Where, I mean. But let's just close the distance. And these... Oh, damn, another torpedo squad. And another fail drop, looks like. Yep. This one I actually anticipated. Nice. Hey, there's the Langley. Let's fire. He's actually against the corner of the map, I guess. But he isn't moving, so that's easy. Let's hope we can put him on fire. Yeah, just as I said. And the Citadel, actually. And the Confederate medal. Nice. And I thought these planes were going for me or something. But I guess they are from the Hoshu, so they are just circling there. And oh, I took a lot of damage. Oh, look, another fire. This guy looks not... And I'm like, what shot at me? One of those battleships did. And he did... looked like even a Citadel. Well, it wasn't this guy. It must have been the guy that just died. Anyway, I'll just shoot at this guy because the carrier is done for at this point. Oh, and I also got a high caliber medal. Nice. Ooh, set this guy on fire as well. So actually my 12th fire. Pretty good. Then again I hit over 180 shells, so... and another fire. Wow. And yes, since the shell trajectory is actually quite high, you can actually fire over this island. Which is pretty nice. And yes, he died. Very good. And then you gotta wonder, where is that destroyer? And don't fall into the, well, the mistake of now thinking, oh, I'm just gonna kill everything and find that destroyer, because, well, look at the time. It's 3 minutes 40 seconds left, and that's, well, there's one in the cap, so we already started, but you need like 2.5 minutes to cap, so yeah, we should really go and get in there. If the DD is close, he will maybe even get a reset off without being spotted. So it's really important to get into the cap now. And we actually do cap it out, by the way. The D wasn't seen or heard from again. Don't know where he was. So let's go to the result screen. And well, this is a premium ship, so 385,000 credits is decent. Almost 4900 XP, also pretty nice. 15 fires. But then again I hit like 194 shells, so it's under 10% of the shells doing fire, so yeah, it's decent, I guess. So it looks a lot, but yeah. Let's go to the team score. I did 2,174 base experience points, which is pretty good at tier 5. At least I'm well ahead of my team. Let's go to the damage score, and I did most of my damage by AP rounds, but still nearly 50,000 with HE. And when you count the fires, I said I actually did more damage with the HE shells. Well, that's cool. Let's see, the total was near 125,000, I guess. Looks like that. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed this replay, and until the next one.